Hi everyone, we are back with another Disney Lorcana Shimmering Skies unboxing. Yeah, we're trying our luck with another booster box with, as always, 24 booster packs inside here, 12 cards per pack. Looking for an enchanted card, of course. Let's see what we pull from this box. We had fairly good luck on previous boxes we've unpulled, but I'm addicted to the Disney artwork and just want to try another box. So here we go. Let's crack these open. And all I ask from you guys and girls that are watching is you keep your fingers crossed. Keep everything crossed that I actually pull some great cards from here and we can enjoy all of the artwork as we go along. If you are new to watching my videos, welcome. Thank you very much for tuning in. I have my sleeves at the ready, so if we pull something good, we can sleeve the cards up to keep them in nice condition. If you play Disney Lorcana rather than just collect the cards, then I would suggest double sleeving your cards because that will make them last a lot longer. So we go through this one in full. So we're starting off with our common cards. I like to point this out to those of you new to Disney Lorcana. This is the symbol for a common card. So we start with Lilo, and then we have got Ever As Before, Potion of Might, Night Howler Rage, The Knock, Sneezy, and then the first of our uncommon cards, and again I'll show you the symbol, it's an uncommon card, is Little John. And then we've got Try Everything, Stitch, and then we have got our super rare card, which is very, very cool, and that is Elsa. Very cool card indeed, actually. And then we have got another super rare, Daisy Duck. And then we're back to an uncommon, Medal of Heroes. So that was a very cool pack. We got a couple of nice super rares there. We're hoping obviously for some legendary cards and enchanted cards as well. Here we go, pack number 2. We have got Merlin, Pete, Merryweather, Earth Giant. Then we have got Gazelle, Royal Guard, Minnie Mouse, Merlin's Cottage, King of Hearts, and then this is our rare, Elsa's Ice Palace as our first rare. And then we've got another rare here, Basil's Magnifying Glass. And then we have got a rare foiled of Vanellope Von Sweets. Very, very cool. Then of course the gateway card at the back. So let's mix things up a little bit. And with this next opening, let's do 4 packs together. So here we go, we've got our 4 packs piled up here, and we go through these a little bit quicker, let you enjoy the artwork. I'll just interject if we get any fantastic pulls. That is a nice pull to finish off those 4 packs. So we're back to speaking. Let's take a look in our next pack and see if we can manage to pull our first legendary or enchanted card. We haven't had any legendaries yet, and we are about 6 or 7 packs in. So let's see what this pack brings us. We've got Healing Touch, King Candy, Simba, Ulf, Earth Giant, Hi Hi, Mother Gothel, Alan Adale, Steel Chromicon. Our rare is Gaston, another rare, Namari, and then we've got an uncommon foil of Pete. Very, very cool artwork. So, next pack. And I really do love unboxing these. The pack breaks on these Disney Lorcana, we get to experience some great artwork. Disney do a fantastic job on these, and even when you get the uncommon cards and the commons, like this Vision of the Future, if you take a little bit of time just to look at the really cool artwork, you can really appreciate what they've done here. It looks absolutely fantastic. We've got Maleficent, Fix-It, Felix Jr., Dopey, that's a cool artwork, Turbo. Then we have Tipo. I think we're due a legendary. Can we pull a legendary in this pack? Sherwood Forest as our first rare. Super rare of Snow White. And then we have got Merryweather foil. So still no legendaries. Let's do a few packs together. Let's do 4 packs. Here we go. We do 4 packs. Here we go. And let's try something a little bit different with these packs. I've done this before. We will try it. Let's pop our gateway cards to one side. And then I think we need to do 3. So let's do 3 cards. And then we'll see if we've done it right. Vanellope Von Sweets, Prince John. Yeah, these are all our commons. And then we've got our uncommons. And then these 3 cards should be our better pulls. Let's do this with a few packs. It's just a little bit more interesting. It builds the excitement because we know that these are going to be our decent pulls from each one. They're all good, but it just makes it a little bit more interesting. So we've got Gateway card on the back, of course. The 3 cards we're going to put on this pile here. And then we've, of course, got our commons. Still great cards. Look at the artwork on these. And then we've got our uncommons. Again, fantastic artwork on those. And we'll move on to our next pack. I like doing it like this. It really does build the excitement of what are we going to get in these cards that I've left on the desk here. It's just a little bit of a different way of doing things. So let's pop our gateway card to one side. And then our 3 cards we'll pop down there. And then we've, of course, got our commons. And then our uncommons. Now, of course, what's left in these piles, there might still be some commons and uncommons in there, but it should be a mix of some really good pulls. And in fact, I'm going to do one extra one. Let's make this a little bit more exciting. We'll keep the suspense going. Let's do an extra pack or 2 on this special pile that we're building up here. Here we go. So we'll just check our commons and uncommons. That's a nice artwork. Very, very cool. And that is as well. Look at that. Beautiful artwork. Let's do another pack and pop it onto our special pile down here. Should we do one more? What do we think? Do we do one more after this one? Maybe we'll do one more and really build up that pile. We're definitely going to do this one. We're definitely going to pop that down there. We've got some great cards just in these regular cards. Look at these. Absolutely fantastic. Look at this. Awesome. Look at Sven. Very, very cool. Let's do just one more. We'll do one more and then we go back to opening them in the regular fashion. Let's do this Donald Duck pack and see what luck this brings us. We've got a pile of cards there. Surely in that pile of cards we've got a couple of legendaries, possibly an enchanted card. What do you think? Let's just pop these ones down. So this is our last way of doing this. We've got our commons there and then our uncommons. So here we go. Let's reveal what we've been saving up. So we have the Queen in a rare. Then we have Iago again in a rare. And then we have got Break Free in a foil common. Then we're back to our rare Vanellope Von Sweets. And don't forget, these are the ones we've saved up. We've got a super rare of Kuzco. Oh, what have we got here? It's back to a common, but it's awesome artwork. Look at this. This is the Knock, and that's in a foil finish. Gorgeous artwork. And then we've got Ratigan in a rare. Clarabelle in a legendary. There's our first legendary pull of this box. Very, very cool. So we'll put that in a sleeve very shortly. Then we've got Chica in a rare foil. Then we've got another rare of Bad Anon. Then we have half Hexwell Crown as a rare. Then we've got an uncommon foil, Maid Marian. Then we've got Wreck-It Ralph. We've got another legendary, Jafar. Awesome, look at that artwork, wow. Very, very cool. Then we've got Banzai as a rare foil. Denahai as a rare. Sir Ector as a rare. And then Basil in our foil finish there. So we've got a couple of legendaries. Very, very cool. Let's pop these into sleeves. Very nice artwork on these two. So we did in fact get a couple of legendaries out of that little stack of cards we were saving up there. Shall we do that again? Or should we, let's do a normal pack. Let's do a normal pack opening. We just run through this in the regular fashion. Then we might do that again, because I do enjoy doing that. It builds the excitement, it certainly does. But this is a normal pack opening here. So we have got Healing Decanter, Mickey Mouse, the Queen, Fauna, Archimedes, When Will My Life Begin, Emerald Chromicon, Sven again, Sleepy, Anna, Maximus super rare, Minnie Mouse in a foil finish. How cool is that? So I think we will do that again. Let's open some packs. Let's open another, let's go for 5. Let's go for 5 packs and we'll do it like we did those last ones. Why not? What have we got to lose? So here we go, 5 packs and we'll save the pulls till last. Very tempted to do the rest of those, but no, let's keep it simple. So we'll put our gateway card to one side. We'll put our 3 specials there. And then we've got our commons. And then our uncommons. Let me know if you like this type of pack break. I think it's a nice way of doing it. Just my personal opinion. Because it's almost like, obviously you're not, but by saving them, it's almost like you're getting a God pack at the end. You know what I mean? So let's pop our 3 to one side. And then we could just put these to one side, but let's go through them quickly, just so we get to see the artwork. Little John, that's nice. Oh, and Food Fight, look at that. Very, very cool. Next pack, so we're saving up 5 to do with all of our pulls at the end. There's a card stuck near the top on this one. I don't want to cut it. It's a bit too close, that one was. But we avoided it. So we pop our gateway one to one side, pop our 3 cards down there, and then we have got Minnie Mouse, Break Free, Obscurosphere, Chaka, Fix It Felix Jr., Sneezy, Turbo, Sapphire Chromicon, and Bruni. Very, very cool. Next pack, and we're saving all our main pulls until last, just in case you're wondering why I'm doing it this way. So let's crack this pack open. So, oh, we need to do the gateway card and then the 3 to one side. And then we've got our commons here. And then our uncommons. And my battery is almost running out on the camera. Let's hope we can just do this last pack here. Now let's pop this to one side. So we pop our gateway card to one side, pop our 3 down here. And then we have got Merlin and the rest of our commons. And then we have got our uncommons. And then we can reveal what we have in this pile. Okay, I'm hoping that this battery lasts. So we've got a super rare, Blast from the Past. We have got a legendary of Genie. Haven't seen this one before. How cool is that? Then we have got a foiled Toque. Then we got Scroop, super rare. Kronk, super rare. Another legendary of Mufasa. Oh my goodness. That is so cool. And then Vanellope Von Sweets in a rare. Tug of War rare. Shield of Arundel in a foil finish. Olaf in a rare. Madam Mim, super rare. Banzai in a foil. Belle in a rare. Scar in a rare. And then Mother Gothel in a foil finish. That was cool. We got a couple more legendaries. Two that I haven't pulled before. We got Mufasa as a legendary. Very cool artwork. And then we have got Genie, which I really do like, in a legendary as well. How cool is that? Let us pop that one in there. Very, very cool. Let's move on to the final few packs. So let's continue this unboxing. We've got 4 packs left. So we will open these packs and see what we can pull. We're going to do 3 packs together, but we will keep them just mixed as they normally are and go through them one by one. See what we can pull through these last few packs. Here we go. We'll leave that very last one there. Here we go. So we have got 3 packs there ready to go. So we start with, of course, our commons, and then our uncommons, and then we have got a rare Sugar Rush Speedway, and then a super rare Maleficent, and then a gold foil, I should say, Evil Comes Prepared, and then of course our gateway card. And then we have got our commons again, and then our uncommons. And then our rare is Plate Armor, super rare of the Queen, and then a rare foil of Pete. Then of course our gateway card. And then we're back to our commons, and then our uncommons, and then our rare is Louisa Madrigal, Robin Hood, and then a foil finish Merlin's Carpet Bag. And that brings us to our last pack. Look at the artwork on this pack. This is going to be a lucky pack. Here we go. What can the last pack bring us? Will we get an enchanted? Will we get another legendary? So let's remove the gateway card from the back. So we have got Vision of the Future, Mickey Mouse, Hypnotic Strength, Clarabelle, Kenai, Happy, love the artwork on that, Ruby Chromicon, All Funned Out, Monstro, Moana, Scrooge McDuck, it's a foil, Cogsworth to finish off. So not a great last pack, but overall we got some cool cards. We got 4 legendary pulls, no enchanted, but 4 legendaries, and I think my favourite out of these 4 has to be Genie, main attraction. Just look at that artwork. I want to thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate it. I certainly hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do hit that like button. If you want to purchase some Disney Lorcana for yourself, check out the links down in the video description. And I'll see you in another video very, very soon.